If you like to journal, junk journal, collect things, that sort of thing, you're going to want to make this accordion folder / journal. It's easy to make. You can personalize it however you want, and it's super cute. So what you're going to need is 9 sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper. Take one of those sheets, and then you're going to want to cut it in half at 5.5 inches. Now put this sheet aside. We're going to get back to it later. And then grab the other 8 sheets of paper, and you're going to score these ones at 5.5 inches. That's right down the middle. And then you're going to fold all of them in half. So you should have 8 of these sheets of paper folded in half. Then grab some of your favorite washi tape and put half of the washi tape on the edge of the paper. Flip the paper over and fold over the remainder of the washi tape. Then grab some scissors and cut off any excess. Then flip the paper over and then repeat the same process on the other side. So essentially what you're doing is you're making a pocket and having just one opening on the sheet of paper. So your pocket should look like this. And this is what all 8 of mine look like. I made mine colorful. Now grab 9 2x8 sheets of paper, score it right down the middle at 1 inch, and then you're going to want to fold them in half. Grab that paper that you trimmed at the beginning, and then grab one of the 2x8 strips, add glue just to half of the strip, and place half of that strip onto that cut piece of paper right down the center. Then add more glue, and then grab one of the pockets that you just created and adhere that to the inside of the pocket to where the 2 connect, but the pocket still opens. So right now it should look like this. Let's connect 2 pockets together. So grab a strip, add glue just to half of the strip, and then adhere that to the pocket on the opposite side of the previous strip. Then add glue to the remainder of the strip. Grab another pocket and adhere that strip to the inside of the second pocket. So now there's 2 pockets. And you're going to want to continue that same process for all of them. You should have 1 strip remaining along with that cut piece of paper from the beginning. So you're going to want to add glue to the strip, attach that to the inside of the last pocket, add glue to the remaining portion of the strip, grab that other half of paper we cut at the beginning, and then attach the strip to that piece of paper. Everything should be attached. The first page should be the 5.5 by 8.5 sheet of paper. This is what the accordion looks like. And the last page should be the other half of the 5.5 by 8.5. For the cover, I just recycled a box and trimmed it down to 5.75 by 8.75. And this is both for the back and front cover. And then I grabbed some decorative paper and glued that right onto the cover. And again, the size of the paper is 5.75 by 8.75. This is the front and back cover of my journal, and working on the front cover, I'm going to add glue right down onto the journal. And I'm going to place that right in the center of the cover. Now this top portion is the back, and I'm going to add glue right to the back of this journal. And now I'm going to adhere the back cover right down onto the journal. Make sure everything's lined up. And then add some books or something just to weigh it down to secure it, and let it set for about half an hour. And then this is what it should look like.